In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a course with Tutorlms. If you're eager to turn your knowledge and expertise into a sellable course using Tutorlms, you've come to the right place. Let's walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your course for sale, ensuring it's ready to entice eager learners and secure those all-important purchases. To start, you'll want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Tutorlms tab and click on Settings. This is where you'll find the monetization options. Here, you get to choose your preferred e-commerce engine. You have two main options, the native Tutorlms setup or the more advanced WooCommerce. The native Tutorlms is great for a simpler, more straightforward setup. If all you need is the basics, this option will suit you perfectly. However, if you're aiming for a more robust e-commerce system with advanced features like coupons, subscriptions, or complex inventory management, then WooCommerce might be the better choice. Next, you'll need to configure several important settings to ensure your courses can be sold smoothly. Start with choosing your preferred currency. This is crucial as it dictates how transactions will appear to your customers. After that, set up your payment gateways. You're likely already familiar with popular options such as PayPal and Stripe, which are both supported here. These platforms ensure secure transactions, enhancing trust with your customer base. Additionally, don't overlook the tax settings. Depending on where you and your customers are located, tax can vary significantly, so it's important to make sure this is correctly configured to avoid compliance issues later. Now, on to setting the price for your course. You'll need to go back to the Tutorlms section, then click on the Courses tab. Here, you can either edit an existing course or create a new one from scratch. Once you're editing, scroll down until you find the monetization section. This is where you'll input the pricing details that suit your course. Firstly, enter the regular price. This acts as your standard course fee, the amount that you consider fair and beneficial for both the student's learning and your efforts. You also have the flexibility to add a discount price if you're feeling generous or running a special promotion. Offering a discount is a powerful way to drive initial enrollment and spark interest. When you finalize the pricing structure, don't forget to save or publish the course. This final step ensures everything you've configured is set live and visible to potential buyers. And there you have it. You're all set to start selling your course using Tutorlms. With your course priced and your payment systems in place, you're ready to welcome students and share your expertise with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.